Okay guys, we got a 2021 Ford Expedition King Ranch Edition. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. So we're using this keypad right here. First, you're going to turn the vehicle to the on position. So right now it is turned off. Press it one time and that is the on position. From there, we're going to go right here, vehicle information, engine information, okay, and then it says hold OK to reset. So you're just going to hold this and that'll reset it to 100% for the oil life. Very easy to do, but that is how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.